Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best investment strategies for a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a powerful retirement vehicle, allowing your investments to grow completely tax-free. You contribute money that has already been taxed, up to a yearly maximum, and then qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. It is crucial to understand your personal risk tolerance and how long you plan to invest before making decisions. For many, broad market index funds are an excellent choice within a Roth IRA. These funds passively track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, providing instant diversification across hundreds of companies. Their low expense ratios, sometimes as little as 0.03% per year, mean more of your money stays invested and grows over time. This approach minimizes fees and maximizes long-term potential. Exchange-traded funds, or ETF, are another strong option for your Roth IRA. Similar to index funds, they provide broad market exposure and diversification. However, ETFs can be traded throughout the day like individual stocks, offering more flexibility. They typically boast lower expense ratios compared to actively managed mutual funds, ensuring more of your investment contributes to your future wealth. Consider ETFs for targeted sector or global market exposure. To truly maximize your Roth IRA's potential, focus on consistent, long-term growth. Aim to contribute the maximum allowable amount each year to fully leverage the tax-free benefits. Periodically rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. Remember, the power of compounding returns over several decades can dramatically increase your retirement savings, turning small, regular contributions into substantial wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.